Okay, this fabric is about 56 inches wide, which comes out to be perfect for that 28. So 28 and 28 is 56. So I just mark it in the middle, and then I find the middle where I want to put a little notch there. And since it's got a design, as long as I'm 24 here, I'm good. I'm gonna come up a little higher than that. And just gonna follow this design. I would normally put a chalk line if it was a solid or something, but I've got this little design I can follow straight with it. And the same here, there's a design there, so I'll just follow that design. Take a piece of chalk, and I like to mark the front. Some people like to mark the back, and then where I put the notch in the center, I'm going to follow that design, put a notch in the back. Same here, got to find the center. And you want it to be on the same type of design too. 28, right there. Follow that design. Okay.